been struggling with laundry for months. Seriously, it's become this constant, low-level anxiety. I throw clothes in, add detergent, hit start, and then spend the next hour worrying if I'd actually gotten anything clean. It's exhausting, right? The worst part is the frustration, that lingering feeling that something's still there, even after a full cycle. It's a small thing, but it messes with your head. I was looking for a solution that actually worked, not just promised to. Then I tried Tide PODS. The first load was surprising. The color protector actually seemed to do something noticeable on my son's soccer jersey, a stain I've been battling for weeks. The scent is nice, too. A clean, fresh spring meadow. The convenience of just tossing a pod in is a huge win. I was initially skeptical about the 3x cleaning ingredients claim, but I've noticed a real difference in how clean my clothes feel, especially with heavily soiled items. The dissolving quickly in cold water is a game changer. No more pre-soaking and worrying about shrinking. There's a minor thing, though. Sometimes a couple of pods don't quite cut it with really stubborn stains. You do need to add a little extra effort. But honestly, for everyday laundry, it's fantastic. I've been using them for 3 weeks now, and I'm genuinely impressed. It's a small investment for a lot of peace of mind. I've seen a noticeable improvement in the cleanliness of my clothes, and I'm no longer spending hours worrying about laundry. It's a simple solution to a frustrating problem. Amazon prices on this model are moving constantly. I have placed the link below so you can check if the current discount is still live.